How Amish families eat for $1 a day. Affordable and healthy meals. We've all been there, staring into an empty fridge, wondering how to make a meal without breaking the bank. The Amish have been living simply and sustainably for generations, and they know how to stretch a dollar. We're about to dive deep into the world of Amish frugality and discover how to eat well on just $1 a day. The power of planning. Your Amish-inspired meal strategy. The Amish plan their meals meticulously, considering every ingredient and how to make it stretch. They understand the importance of using what they have on hand and making the most out of every resource available. This level of planning ensures that nothing goes to waste and every meal is both nutritious and satisfying. Think of it like building a barn. You need a blueprint. Just as the Amish wouldn't start constructing a barn without a detailed plan, you shouldn't start your week without a meal plan. This blueprint will guide you through the week, ensuring you have all the ingredients you need and helping you avoid last-minute trips to the store. Start by taking inventory of your pantry and fridge. Knowing what you already have is the first step in creating a meal plan that minimizes waste and maximizes the use of your ingredients. This practice not only saves you money, but also helps you become more organized and efficient in the kitchen. Focus on staples like beans, which are not only affordable but also versatile and nutritious. Beans can be used in a variety of dishes, from soups and stews to salads and casseroles. Rice, potatoes, oats, and seasonal vegetables are other staples that should be at the core of your meal planning. These ingredients are not only cost-effective but also provide the essential nutrients your body needs to stay healthy. Build meals around these staples. Hearty soups, stews, and casseroles are perfect examples. These dishes are not only filling and nutritious, but also easy to prepare in large batches, making them ideal for meal prepping. Leftovers are your secret weapon against food waste and overspending. By planning for leftovers, you can ensure that every meal you prepare stretches further, providing you with additional meals throughout the week. With a plan, you'll avoid impulse buys and stick to your budget. The Amish are known for their frugality and careful spending, and by adopting a similar approach, you can save money while still enjoying delicious home-cooked meals. This approach requires no special skills or fancy equipment. The Amish rely on simple tools and traditional methods, proving that you don't need the latest gadgets to create amazing meals. All you need is a bit of planning and a commitment to making the most of what you have. Just a bit of planning and common sense. By taking the time to plan your meals, you can enjoy the benefits of a well-organized kitchen, reduced food waste, and a healthier, more balanced diet. So, take a page from the Amish playbook and start planning your meals today. Buy smart, buy bulk. The Amish secret to grocery savings. The Amish community has long been known for their simple, frugal lifestyle. One of their best-kept secrets to saving money is buying in bulk. This practice not only helps them save money but also ensures they have a steady supply of essential items. The Amish understand that buying in bulk saves money in the long run. Key staples include rice, which is a versatile and long-lasting grain that can be used in a variety of dishes. By purchasing large quantities, they reduce the cost per unit and minimize the number of trips to the store. Oats are another staple in the Amish diet. They are not only affordable but also packed with nutrients. Oats can be used for breakfast, baking, and even savory dishes. Buying them in bulk ensures that the family always has a healthy option on hand. Beans are packed with protein and fiber and are incredibly versatile. They can be used in soups, stews, salads, and even as a meat substitute in many recipes. By buying beans in bulk, the Amish can prepare a variety of nutritious meals without breaking the bank. Look for deals on frozen fruits. Frozen fruits are often picked at their peak ripeness and then frozen to preserve their nutrients. They can be used in smoothies, desserts, or as a topping for breakfast cereals. Buying them in bulk can save you money and ensure you always have a healthy option available. And vegetables. They last longer and are often cheaper. Frozen vegetables are a great way to ensure you always have a supply of nutritious ingredients for your meals. They can be used in a variety of dishes, from stir-fries to casseroles, and buying them in bulk can help you save money in the long run. The key is to buy what you'll actually use. Stick to your list and focus on staples. Planning your meals and making a list of the items you need can help you avoid impulse purchases and ensure you only buy what you will use. This not only saves money, but also reduces food waste. You'll be amazed at how much money you can save. By adopting the Amish practice of buying in bulk and focusing on essential items, you can significantly reduce your grocery bills. It's a simple yet effective way to manage your household budget and ensure you always have the ingredients you need for healthy, delicious meals. From garden to table, the Amish way to grow your own food. Gardening is about connecting with the land and stretching food dollars. Start small with easy-to-grow herbs like basil and parsley. Branch out to vegetables like tomatoes, zucchini, and peppers. The Amish also preserve their food through canning, pickling, and drying. Canning isn't as intimidating as it seems. There are plenty of resources to help. Plant some seeds and watch your food savings grow. Protein power on a budget. Amish. Secrets to affordable nutrition. Eggs are a nutritional powerhouse and incredibly versatile. Beans and lentils are packed with protein and fiber. Canned tuna and salmon are great pantry staples. Stretch your protein by using meat as an accent in dishes. Get creative with your protein sources to enjoy delicious meals without overspending. Eat with the seasons. How the Amish maximize freshness and savings. Fresh, locally grown produce tastes better and is cheaper. Farmers markets are a goldmine for affordable seasonal produce. Don't be afraid to haggle for better prices. Trading surplus produce with neighbors is another Amish secret. Get to know your neighbors and propose trades. You never know what delicious deals you might strike up. Embrace the bounty of your local farmers market. Simple, hearty, and delicious. Amish-inspired meal ideas for under $1. The Amish community is known for their simple living, and their meals reflect this philosophy. With a focus on wholesome, unprocessed ingredients, you can create delicious and nutritious meals without breaking the bank. Potatoes are a staple in Amish kitchens. They're cheap and versatile. You can use them in a variety of dishes, from soups to casseroles. One of the simplest and most comforting dishes is a basic potato soup. Try a simple potato soup with basic ingredients like potatoes, onions, and a bit of cream or milk. Add some herbs and spices for extra flavor. This soup is not only filling but also incredibly budget-friendly. Bean soup is another hearty and satisfying option. Beans are rich in protein and fiber, making them a nutritious choice. You can use a variety of beans such as navy beans, black beans, or kidney beans to create a flavorful soup. Casseroles are easy to make ahead and freeze well. They are perfect for busy families who need a quick and nutritious meal. You can use ingredients like potatoes, beans, and vegetables to create a delicious casserole that everyone will love. Oatmeal is a cheap and nutritious breakfast staple. It's easy to prepare and can be customized with a variety of toppings such as fresh fruit, nuts, and honey. Oatmeal provides a great start to the day, keeping you full and energized. Scrambled eggs with sautéed vegetables make a protein-packed breakfast. Eggs are affordable and versatile, and you can add any vegetables you have on hand. This dish is quick to prepare and perfect for a nutritious start to the day. Focus on whole, unprocessed foods. Fresh vegetables, grains, and legumes are the foundation of a healthy diet. By choosing these ingredients, you can create meals that are both nutritious and budget-friendly. Get creative in the kitchen with just a few dollars. Use simple ingredients to make delicious meals that your family will love. Experiment with different recipes and find new ways to use staple ingredients. Eating well on a budget is possible with a little ingenuity. By focusing on simple, wholesome ingredients and getting creative in the kitchen, you can enjoy delicious and nutritious meals without spending a lot of money. The Amish way of cooking is a testament to the fact that good food doesn't have to be expensive. Let's talk leftovers, something the Amish excel at. Transform leftovers into new and exciting meals. Shred leftover roast chicken for salads, soups, or pasta dishes. Use leftover rice for fried rice or savory rice pudding. Turn leftover mashed potatoes into potato pancakes. Embrace the art of the leftover to save time and money. Root-to-leaf cooking is a key Amish philosophy. Use every part of the plant to minimize waste and maximize flavor. Chop carrot tops for salads or soups. Roast potato peels for a crispy snack. Simmer onion skins in broth for added flavor. It's about appreciating the bounty of the earth. Reduce waste in a way that benefits both your wallet and the planet. You don't need a gadget-filled kitchen for budget-friendly meals. A slow cooker is perfect for hearty soups and stews. A good quality cast iron skillet is incredibly versatile. A sharp chef's knife and a paring knife are essential. Invest in a few high-quality tools that will last. Take care of them, and they'll serve you well for years. The Amish get by with simple, durable tools. You can too. Let's look at a sample $1 meal plan. For breakfast, a bowl of oatmeal topped with fruit or nut butter. Lunch is a hearty lentil soup packed with vegetables. Dinner is a classic bean and rice casserole. This meal plan embodies Amish frugality. It's possible to eat well on just $1 a day. It takes planning, effort, and a simpler way of eating. Adjust the plan based on your preferences and dietary needs. Embrace a mindful way of eating. The Amish show us that eating well on a budget isn't about deprivation. It's about resourcefulness, planning, and appreciating the simple things. Adopt a few principles like meal planning and buying in bulk. Start small and incorporate these tips into your life. Every little bit counts. Get in the kitchen and start cooking up delicious, budget-friendly meals.